Is question number 4B from May 2025 question paper and makeup exam July 2024 24 question paper. And the question is researchers decided to monitor one area, Siachen Glacier, using IoT. For that, they need low power consumption wireless communication system for interconnection of things in that location. Frequent charging is not possible and communication range will be less than 10 meters. Choose the best wireless system for the above requirements and explain its operation. So here, a team of researchers set out to study the Siachen Glacier. This Siachen Glacier is one of the coldest and most remote place on the earth. So their researchers' goal is to collect data uh, about temperature, humidity, movement of the ice, and other environmental factors. But they face a big problem. In such freezing conditions, it is not possible to charge the batteries oftenly. Once the device is placed, it needs to work for a month without any human help. So also, since the researchers are placing sensors close to each other within 100 meters, they don't need a long range communication. So what technology they should choose? What wireless system is required for this situation? That you should explain. So the situation I explained now. So the researchers, they want to collect the data, but there is not possible to charge the batteries and they need to work for months without any human help. So in such case, and the distance is also less 10 meters. So what wireless system you can choose? This is the meaning of the question. So the best protocol, the best wireless system is they can choose the technology called Bluetooth Low Energy, BLE. So answer is Bluetooth Low Energy, BLE network in a Siachen Glacier. So you no need to draw this diagram, but you can understand from this diagram. So this is the diagram, BLE sensor network at a Siachen Glacier. So here there is a snow icy landscape, icy landscape in a Siachen Glacier. And there are scattered BLE sensors, BLE sensor 1, 2, 3, and so on. Scattered BLE sensors, they are placed in a snow and they are labeled as sensor 1, sensor 2, and sensor 3, etc. There is a central device. Uh, it is like data collector or it is a base station. It is placed on a small weatherproof stand, assume, or with a solar panel. So arrow mark from this sensor to central device, the arrow mark is going this side. Sensor 2 to this and sensor 3 to this, the arrow mark are going towards the central device. So this arrow mark shows the range. So it is less than 10 meters. The range is less than 10 meters. So communication from each sensor to the central device. So the team of researchers, they place all these sensors from the central device in less than 10 meters. So this is the meaning of the diagram. Okay, so no need to draw this diagram. You just name the wireless system. Just for naming, you will get 2 marks. And if you explain this technology, you will get 8 marks. How the BLE operation takes place. So in simple terms, you can explain this. BLE, operation of BLE. Okay. Next, researchers, they want to monitor the area like Siachen Glacier, where it is very difficult to charge the devices often and communication range is also short. In such case, Bluetooth low energy is the best choice. And it works in very simple way. First one is low power use. Bluetooth low energy BLE, it is designed to save battery and it only uses tiny amount of power. It uses very little amount of power. So just enough to send the a small bit of information or to receive the small bit of information. So uh, BLE can keep working for a long time, even months or years, with just a small battery. So it is like you can find it in your watch. So that like that it works. So and short range application. BLE is made to work for a short distances, usually 10 to 30 meters. So this is perfect for places like Siachen Glacier, where sensors are placed very close to each other. They don't need to send the signal very far, just enough to reach nearby central device. That is enough. Because the range is short, BLE can save the power. So therefore, it helps the device to last for longer time on a battery. Then how it connects? It uses star topology. So in star topology, there is a central device. So it is the main device. Central device is the main device. Just now you saw in the diagram. It is like a smartphone or tablet. So around the central device, there are small devices like sensors, which are called as peripherals. Small devices are called as peripherals. They are around the central device. This central device connects to each sensor one by one, and it can send and receive from them. Just it can send the data from them, or it can receive the data from them. This type of connection is called as star topology. So this is about the connection, how it connects. So then the types of connections. So the BLE can work in two different ways, connected mode and a broadcasting mode. The central device, like your phone or a base station, and the sensor, it is called as a peripheral. If they make direct connection, it is called as connected mode. They stay connected and they can send and receive the message. They can share the data regularly. Example, if two people on a phone call talking to each other like that, direct connection. Then in broadcasting mode, the devices send out the data without connecting to anyone. So there will be no connectionless. It just shares the information into the shares the information, and any nearby device can collect it. It just share the information into the air. The nearby device can collect it. Example, like a person using loudspeaker. Anyone nearby can hear the message without talking back. So in connected mode, two people on a phone call talking to each other. That is example. In broadcasting mode, person using loudspeaker. Anyone nearby the loudspeaker can hear and hear the message without talking back. That is an example for broadcasting mode. Then it is simple and compatible. So it's simple and compact. BLE is very easy to use and works with most modern device like smartphone, tablets, laptops, smartwatch, small sensors and trackers. It also cheap to add any tiny gadgets like temperature or motion sensor. So because it is so common and simple, BLE is popular for many IoT projects, like one given in a Siachen Glacier. And the last one is frequency band. BLE uses 2.4 gigahertz frequency band, which is same as the regular Bluetooth. So what you use for your wireless earphone. BLE uses a special method to send the data in short burst, only when needed, not continuously. This helps it to use much less power compared to the normal Bluetooth. So BLE uses a special method to send data in a short burst, only when needed. So it will help to use much less power compared to the normal Bluetooth. The normal Bluetooth is like what you use for your wireless earphone. That is normal Bluetooth. The Siachen Glacier, it is using BLE. Okay. So this is about the answer for question number 4A. So the answer is Bluetooth low energy, not just normal Bluetooth, it is Bluetooth low energy, because in question they have given distance is very less and there is not, it is not possible to charge. That hint is given. So if these two hints are given, then you should write Bluetooth low energy network. So, and this is answer for question number 4B.